Hey friends, today I am on the brand new Sun Princess by Princess Cruises. I'm going to show you our interior cabin number 15617. All right, so as soon as you open the door, you can kind of see here, this is a small space. It is well appointed. Here by the door, we have our switches, so we can turn on and off our lights. Okay, we have our emergency stuff here. We have a nice bench, chair, all of our important information, a couple of glasses, shelves, a drawer with a hair dryer. We have a little mini fridge here. We also have 3 drawers, nice sizes, some more shelving space. We have the safe. We have our TV, some storage space over here. Okay. And outlets, looks like a USB, a USB-C, and a regular. So here's the other side of the room. On both sides of the bed, we have that same USB-C, USB, and regular outlet. In here, we have our full closet. It's a nice size closet, lots of hangers. So it should be plenty of storage for our 7-night cruise. Have a nice full-length mirror. Our AC controls, and then the door to the bathroom. On the back of the bathroom door, we have some door hooks. As you can see here, we have our toilet and towels, some shelving, body lotion, hand wash, tissues, toilet paper, sink. Hi guys. We got our lovely walk-in shower. And we've got the amenities, separate shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. A nice wand. It's got the drying rack up here. And my favorite, the step bar so I can shave. So that is our interior room. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And until the next time, guys, shake a tail feather.